NASA sets data transmission record across 225 million kilometers. The laser communication system aboard the Psyche spacecraft en route to the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter is transmitting data to Earth at a record-breaking distance. Located on NASA's Psyche spacecraft, deep space optical communication technology continuously breaks records. While the spacecraft does not rely on optical communication for data transmission, the new technology demonstrates its capability to fulfill this task. After connecting to Psyche's radio frequency transmitter, the laser communication system sends a copy of technical data over a record distance of 225 million kilometers, 1.5 times the distance between Earth and the Sun, as reported by phys.org on April 25. This achievement demonstrates that spacecraft could potentially utilize optical communication in the future, allowing for the transmission of complex scientific information as well as high-resolution images and videos at faster speeds to support humanity's next major step of sending humans to Mars. The laser communication technology in this trial experiment is designed to transmit data from deep space at speeds 10 to 100 times faster than modern radio frequency systems used by current missions. Launched on October 13, 2023, the spacecraft is still operational and stable on its journey to the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter to visit the Psyche asteroid. NASA's optical communication experiment has demonstrated the system's ability to transmit test data at a maximum speed of 267 megabits per second, (mbps), from the near-infrared laser port on the laser transmitter while in flight. Previously, on December 11, 2023, the experiment transmitted a 15-second, ultra-high-resolution video to Earth from a distance of 31 million kilometers, about 80 times the distance between Earth and the Moon. Along with other test data, the video included a digital version of the Psyche-inspired artwork from the University of Arizona, uploaded to the laser transmitter while the Psyche spacecraft was launched last year. Currently, as the spacecraft travels 7 times farther, the data transmission and reception speeds have decreased as expected. In the experiment on April 8, the spacecraft transmitted test data at a maximum speed of 25 megabits per second, surpassing the project's target of at least 1 megabit per second at that distance. The project team also sent commands to the transmitter to transmit data produced by Psyche using optical technology. While Psyche transmits data via radio frequency channels to NASA's Deep Space Network, DSN, the optical communication system simultaneously transmits part of that data to the Hale telescope at Caltech's Palomar Observatory in San Diego County, California. After the Psyche spacecraft was launched, the initial optical communication test system was used to upload preloaded data, including a video of a cat named Taters. Subsequently, the project demonstrated that the transmitter can receive data from a high-power laser at JPL's Table Mountain facility near Wrightwood, California. The data could even be transmitted to the receiving station and then back to Earth on the same night. The experimental data transmission also included digital images to and from the Psyche spacecraft during its 450 million kilometer round-trip journey. It also uploaded a large amount of experimental data for studying the characteristics of the optical communication link.